Only 1 in 5 businesses in India today are run by women, which means of all the entrepreneurs in India today, only 20% of them are women and the rest are men. Do you want to know why do we have so low numbers in India when it comes to women starting their own business? Then definitely watch this video. I'm Harvi Shah, the founder of Bling Bag, an online fashion jewelry store and a woman entrepreneur coach, and I help women convert their passion into a profitable digital business. Back in 2010, the percentage of women entrepreneurs in India was 14%. Well, that's quite a bit of progress that we have made from 14% to 20% over 20 years. Thanks to the government schemes and a lot of initiatives that government has been taking in order to encourage women entrepreneurship in India. But my question is that growth enough? Or do we have more potential in India for women to come up and rise up and become entrepreneurs in their career? You will be surprised to know that India is one of the poorest country when it comes to fostering women entrepreneurship. Even after so many initiatives taken by the government, the numbers are not there. And what is encouraging is by a recent study by Google, if India does enough to create more and more women entrepreneurs, alone women entrepreneurs, they have the capacity to create 170 million jobs by 2030. Imagine this number in this time in coronavirus when most of the people around are losing their jobs or working under salary pay cuts. We women, we stand on an opportunity to create jobs by 2030. 170 million jobs. Can you imagine what can happen to the economy if this comes true? I often ask this question to women. What do you think? Why do we have so low numbers when it comes to women starting their own business? And the answer that I get from them is that maybe more and more women fail in their business and eventually they stop, and that's why we have less number of women entrepreneurs. Do you think this is really true? You will be surprised to know that research says that the success rate of women entrepreneurs is higher than male entrepreneurs when it comes to the results of the business that they are running. Then what's keeping the numbers so low? The sad fact is that enough number of women do not come out and take up entrepreneurship, and we don't start our business because of this big fear of failure that a lot of us have in our mind. Now, you might argue that this fear is something that even a male entrepreneur would have when he's starting off, because this is something that anybody, irrespective of a woman or a man who is starting off, will have this fear, right? Now, let me tell you that this fear is created in our mind because of specific thoughts and barriers that we have, which we need to overcome. And women in general have some specific and unique barriers in common, which are very different from men, because of which they are not able to take a step forward and start their journey as an entrepreneur. In my experience, and also after speaking to over 100 of women, understanding what stops them from starting their own business, I have figured out the common barriers that we women face, which stops us from taking an action and taking stop towards entrepreneurship. I'm conducting a live masterclass to help the aspiring women entrepreneur community understand which are these barriers which we face and how can we overcome this so that we can convert our dream into a reality and start a business that we are passionate about. If you are somebody aspiring to start your own business, then definitely watch this masterclass, attend it live, wherein we are going to break down exactly which are these barriers and what we need to do so that we overcome these barriers and we move towards the direction of taking up entrepreneurship as our career. If you're watching this video and if you know of a woman who is aspiring to start her own business, then definitely guide her to this masterclass so that she gains something out of it and she takes a step towards her dream. The link to register for this masterclass is right below this video. So register, it's a free masterclass, and help somebody gain knowledge out of this masterclass and take a step forward in her life. I will see you live in the masterclass. Thank you so much for watching this video. This is Harvi signing off. See you in the masterclass live. Thank you.